Okay guys, so this is my FZ10. Pretty much keep stories short and sweet and small. I had a 2015 R1 and just wasn't happy with it. For some reason I had lots of issues with it that nobody else have. So anyhow, they traded me in on this. So basically the exhaust is off of a 2015 R1. Talked to Aero, everything was compatible. The only problem I hit is it sits about 1 inch forward from where it should. So pretty much I tapped and drilled a hole and put that mount there for that. But other than that, it all fit just fine. O2 sensors, everything. Put my frame sliders on, which are Evo. I still have my GB Racing engine covers I gotta put on. It has a BCM filter in it, Power Commander 5, and then also smog block off plates by Grives. My custom taillight kit till my new taillight comes. But you know, she was already running today. Just figured I'd fire her up for you guys if you guys want to hear her. She is loud.